Hello everyone, it's me again. Today we are not exploring in the air anymore, but on the ground. There are moments of car accidents. Don't worry, watch and still keep smiling. Before going into the video, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss these heart-stopping but entertaining moments. A terrifying escape. In a split second, the car sped past. The man was quick enough to escape.
Piste. Wel, we gaan er vandaag vanuit dat dat evenementen zijn die terug zullen kunnen doen.
A terrible accident happened on the Wanju Expressway when a series of cars lost control because of black ice, turning the highway into a battlefield in just a moment. The window frame fell from a high floor. This guy stood right in the middle as if arranged by the director. A lesson to remember. Never try to cross the tracks without ensuring absolute safety. Life is more precious than a few seconds of haste. A scene of unimaginable natural force. If there had been anyone in the car at the time, the consequences could have been disastrous. A self-confidence is the main thing, but the result is mud move that makes everyone laugh. Never underestimate mud, even if you work out every day. While performing gracefully, the mermaid was suddenly attacked by a sturgeon, shocking the audience. She struggled and escaped safely.
Bro, stop sign, bro. Oh my God.
A boat cruise in the old town of Kurashiki offers a unique experience, lying under the bridge, enjoying the peaceful scenery, and the boatman rowing like a Japanese ninja.
This freaking sucks.
A heart-stopping scene on a mountain road, and a reminder to all drivers, not only humans but also nature can cut in unexpectedly. This is a video recording an extremely slippery bridge where a series of vehicles lost control on the same wet morning. Just to wash a car, this person definitely doesn't mind wasting water. But it's a bit reckless. The accident ended in just a few seconds, but left a valuable lesson about being alert and careful behind the wheel. On the road, there is no room for complacency because sometimes just a moment of carelessness can cost a life. Drive safely for you and those around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next traffic safety warning videos. Share the video to spread safe driving awareness to the community.